Welcome to our roundup of the best vinyl cutters you can buy right now. Whether you're starting a small crafting business, making custom decals, designing heat transfer shirts, or simply exploring your creative side at home, a great vinyl cutter can completely change what you are able to make. Today, we have picked 5 of the most reliable and feature-packed machines that combine precision, speed, and ease of use. We will walk you through what each one does best, how it feels to use in real life, and which type of creator it is perfect for. We will talk about cutting accuracy, material support, software experience, speed, and overall reliability, so you can confidently choose the one that fits your workflow. Make sure to check the description box for the latest deals and offers. Let us dive in and find the perfect vinyl cutter for your creative projects. The first on the list is the Silhouette Portrait 4. The Portrait 4 is designed for creators who want a compact machine that still delivers professional results. Right away, it stands out with its auto tool detection, precision cutting accuracy, and compact, space-saving design. This is a 9-inch class cutter, which makes it perfect for desks, small studios, or shared workspaces where every inch matters. Even though it is small, it feels solid and well-built, and it handles everyday vinyl, sticker paper, cardstock, and heat transfer materials with impressive confidence. What really makes the Portrait 4 shine is how smart it feels to use. The auto tool detection system means the machine knows exactly which blade or tool you are using and adjusts the settings automatically. That saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes the whole process feel much more relaxed, especially if you are still learning. The cutting quality is clean and consistent, even when working with small text, tiny logos, or detailed sticker designs. If you enjoy making planners, labels, packaging stickers, or small decorative items, this machine feels perfectly tailored for that kind of work. In day-to-day use, the Portrait 4 feels friendly and predictable. Loading materials is easy, alignment is straightforward, and the software gives you good control over pressure, speed, and depth. It is also surprisingly quiet, which makes it ideal for home use or late-night crafting sessions. While the cutting width is smaller than bigger machines, that is the trade-off for its portability and ease of storage. Overall, this is a great choice for beginners, students, and hobbyists who want a reliable, accurate, and space-saving vinyl cutter that delivers consistently clean results without feeling complicated or overwhelming. Next up is the K cutting machine. The K is a great option for creators who want strong performance without paying premium prices. It stands out with its high cutting force, wide material compatibility, and fast, smooth operation. From the first time you use it, you can tell this machine is built to handle more than just basic vinyl. It cuts through thicker cardstock, specialty vinyl, and heat transfer materials with confidence, and it does not struggle when designs get more detailed or more complex. One of the best things about the K is how balanced it feels between power and ease of use. The stronger cutting force means it often finishes jobs in fewer passes, which saves time and helps avoid material waste. At the same time, the software experience is friendly enough for beginners, so you do not feel lost or confused when you first start using it. It is a great machine for people who want to experiment with many different project types, from stickers and wall decals to shirts, bags, and small business products. In real-world use, the K proves to be dependable and consistent. It tracks materials well, keeps long cuts aligned, and does not randomly shift or lose position in the middle of a job. That kind of reliability is extremely important if you are making items to sell or working on customer orders. While it may not have the same brand recognition as some bigger names, it delivers where it matters most: clean cuts, good speed, and solid versatility. Overall, it is a smart and practical choice for growing creators who want strong performance without overspending. Next, we have the Cricut Maker 4. The Maker 4 is built for serious creators who want one machine that can handle almost any idea they come up with. It immediately stands out with its extremely powerful cutting system, support for a huge range of materials, and high-speed smart cutting. This is not just a vinyl cutter. It is more like a complete creative workshop in one machine. From vinyl and paper to thicker materials like leather, felt, and thin wood, the Maker 4 handles it all with impressive precision and control. Using the Maker 4 feels smooth, fast, and very professional. The machine moves confidently, cuts cleanly, and produces sharp, polished results even on complex designs. The smart cutting feature allows you to work without a cutting mat for many materials, which saves a lot of time and makes long projects much easier to manage. If you run a small crafting business, this feature alone can significantly speed up your production and make your workflow much more efficient. What really makes the Maker 4 special is how future-proof it feels. There are many different tools and blades available for it, so as your skills grow and your project ideas become more advanced, the machine continues to support you. You can start with simple vinyl projects and eventually move into engraving, scoring, debossing, and cutting specialty materials. It is a bigger investment, but it replaces the need for several separate machines. Overall, the Cricut Maker 4 is an outstanding all-in-one solution for creators who want maximum flexibility, top-level performance, and the confidence to take on almost any creative challenge. Next, we have the Silhouette Cameo 5. The Cameo 5 is a powerful and refined vinyl cutter that sits in a perfect middle ground between professional performance and everyday usability. It stands out with its 12-inch cutting width, advanced tool system, and quiet, precise operation. This machine is ideal for creators who want to work on larger designs, longer vinyl rolls, and more ambitious projects without stepping into industrial-level equipment. In real use, the Cameo 5 feels fast, smooth, and very controlled. It handles long cuts with excellent tracking, which is perfect for wall decals, vehicle graphics, and large heat transfer designs. The advanced tool system allows you to switch between different blades and tools easily, giving you more flexibility with materials and project styles. It is also noticeably quieter than many older cutting machines, which makes longer crafting sessions far more comfortable and less tiring. The software gives you a lot of creative freedom, especially if you like to fine-tune your designs and control every detail of the cutting process. While it may take a little time to explore all of its features, once you get comfortable, it becomes an incredibly powerful creative tool. Overall, the Silhouette Cameo 5 is an excellent choice for creators who want more space, more control, and more creative possibilities, while still keeping everything precise and reliable. The last one on our list is the Cricut Explore 4. The Explore 4 is designed for people who want speed, simplicity, and consistent results in their everyday crafting projects. It stands out with its fast, smart cutting performance, easy-to-use design, and reliable multi-material support. This machine focuses on making the entire crafting process smooth and stress-free, from setting up your design to finishing your final cut. What you notice immediately is how fast and responsive it feels. The Explore 4 is built to save time, especially when working with vinyl and heat transfer materials. The smart cutting feature allows many materials to be cut without a mat, which makes large projects much easier and less messy to manage. The machine is also very beginner-friendly. The setup process is simple, the software guides you step by step, and even first-time users can start making professional-looking projects very quickly. In everyday use, the Explore 4 feels dependable and predictable. It might not handle the thickest specialty materials like the Maker series, but for vinyl, paper, and most common crafting materials, it performs beautifully and consistently. Overall, it is a fantastic choice for hobbyists, small shop owners, and anyone who wants a fast, easy, and reliable vinyl cutter that delivers great results without unnecessary complexity. So, those are our top picks for the best vinyl cutters you can choose from. Each of these machines brings something unique to the table, whether it is compact convenience, powerful all-in-one performance, or fast and simple everyday cutting. Think about the kind of projects you want to make, the space you have, and how much flexibility you need, and the right choice will become clear. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.